In this video, I'm going to show you how to name a page in Jotform. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your form, and then you have the first page over here, which is always called Home, and you can't actually rename this one. However, you can rename every single other page which isn't the first home page. So if I go down here, I have page 2, I can just simply click on it and then rename it that way. So I can type in email like that, click out, and as you can see, it's changed up here and down here as well. Now, if I also add a new one over here, I can again go ahead and basically put it whatever I want. So this is page 3 over here. I can go and name it whatever I want. Like I could, for example, just do address like this. Or what's also very cool is you could just rename it down here. You don't even have to scroll. So page 3, you could reorganize them like this. I could go and click on those 3 dots next to it, do rename, and then I can rename it over here. For example, address. There we go, and as you can see, it's renamed that page. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.